Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your Mac is up to date and Bluetooth is enabled. This prevents driver issues. Once done, decide if you'll use a wired USB-C connection, native Bluetooth pairing, or the Xbox wireless adapter. Plug in a USB cable for immediate use, or hold the Xbox button and then press the small sync button until the Xbox light flashes for Bluetooth. Make sure battery level is sufficient. Low power can block pairing and cause intermittent input. You'll now complete the connection flow. For Bluetooth pairing, open System Settings then Bluetooth and choose the controller when the name appears. Wait for Confirmed or Connected. If you're using the Xbox wireless adapter, plug it in, press its sync button, then press sync on the controller until both devices link. Once connected, launch Steam or a game and enable Steam input if you need custom mapping. This gives you vibration control, button remaps, and calibration options for consistent behavior across titles. You finish by testing every button, stick, and trigger in Steam Big Picture or a web gamepad tester. Verify vibration and axis responses. Make sure any game that needs input monitoring has permission in System Settings Security and Privacy. If the controller acts up, remove it from Bluetooth and repair, swap to a known good USB data cable, or power cycle the Xbox wireless adapter. One quick troubleshooting tip. Reset the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.